How to get 100 GB storage on Google Photos. Firstly, you have to open the Google Photos app. Now click on the profile which is present at the right top corner. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. You can see here account storage, click on it. Now you can get 100 GB of storage to keep your memories secure. Click on it. Now get offer. If you want to get 100 GB storage, you have to purchase it from your account. You can see here add a credit or debit card. You have to select any of the payment method and pay the money of the 100 GBs. In this way you can get 100 GB storage on Google Photos. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.